Hello mga kaguro, mga bata. Ako si Teacher Roy Molanda. Are you alright? Yes, alright. Today we are going to have a lesson in Science 4, Quarter 3. Our lesson 4 is about cite useful and harmful effects of the force applied to an object. Our objectives class describe useful and harmful effects of the force applied to an object. Second, infer that the force applied to an object has useful and harmful effect in your daily activities. And practice safety measure in doing physical activities in applying force to an object. You have learned in the past lesson that the amount of force you apply to an object has corresponding effects to the object you are interacting with. Thus, these applied forces can be useful or harmful to you. Dealing with your activities requires you to handle things carefully in order to avoid untoward accidents. Since forces are always with you, your safety should be begin full attention most of the time so that I will not harm you either way. One can say that the amount of force applied to an object is useful if the result is helpful to you. Likewise, the applied force is harmful if it is unhelpful to you. As Isaac Newton once said, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Therefore, always be careful on how you handle things in your surroundings. The following example give you understanding how useful and harmful the effect of force is applied to an object. Here are the example applied force on object, useful effects and harmful effects. The useful effects, switching on an electric fan increase air movement inside your house, especially during hot and sticky weather conditions. It also which gives you refreshing air and makes you feel comfortable. Switching it off is considered as its break and cooling time. The harmful effects, however, without turning it on and off, allowing it move whole day and night, might cause overheating, which may lead to fire incident or electrical problem and may damage the electric fan permanently. Another one, turning on faucet, handle gently, enable water supply for washing your clothes, plates, taking a bath, cooking, drinking, and cleaning things around you. Turning it off will stop the flow of water, while turning on and off the overtime may loosen the handle causing the water to leak and continuous dripping water may add up to your water bill. Slicing knife is useful in food preparation for cooking such as cutting, and chopping fruit and vegetables ingredients, and thinner slices of meat. While mishandling if this object may lead to minor lacerations on fingers depending on the amount of force, so you should be extra careful of using this object. The doors were designed for coming and going in and going out of the house. It is also useful for protection and security against intruders. Pushing and pulling it gently will last its durability. Likewise, a gentle grip on its doorknobs is advisable to last it longer. While pushing and pulling doors with greater force will not only create noise, but also may break or damage it permanently. Its size and shape may also deform as stronger force is applied. Similarly, exerting greater force may harm someone on the other side of the door. Pushing a handcart like a baby trolley is useful not only to carry a baby conveniently, but also allowing the stationary position to move through its rolling friction. Pushing it with enough or less force is helpful for the safety of the baby inside the trolley, while exerting a strong force when pushing this handcart without limit or control might result to an accident. Because it is rolling cart, the one who uses force when moving it should be mindful not to release or unhand it in order to avoid injury to the object and to baby inside the cart. In addition, it only shows that your daily routine requires you to apply force every time you to interact with the different materials around you. This means that the force you exerted to an object has corresponding consequences which you can consider as useful or harmful to you. Moreover, because your safety is very important, you must follow house rules, schools regulations, and community signage to avoid untoward incidents. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share my YouTube channel, Roy Mulanda. Are you alright? Yes, alright. Bye.